Good afternoon, I am Jean Carlos Aguilar from FUNINTEC. Thanks to CourseWarm, FUNINTEC is a foundation with national and international activities oriented towards scientific, technological and financial knowledge, which has assumed the use, adoption and development of Cardano blockchain. FUNINTEC has developed activities with Cardano organizations in Latin America. Cardano Summit 2022, SIP 1694 Caracas, SIP 1694 Pan American and workshops. Our proposal, the cascading effect for the Catalyst 10 fund falls into the category Startups & onboarding for students. University and high school students in Venezuela need to access or learn about Cardano technology and the Catalyst project, which represents a problem for its use and mass adoption. As we can see in the surveys carried out, ADA is in the last positions in terms of adoption and use in our country. That is why so 2022 we have proposed the cascade effect as a strategy to promote a massive training plan in Cardano blockchain. To do this, we will train 30 facilitators in the Cardano network and in the FUNINTEC Catalyst project, who will then transmit the knowledge with the cascade effect to 120 university and high school students in 5 months. Milestones and budget planning in relation to these milestones. The detailed investment plan of the tasks to be carried out. The cost is adjusted to the reality of the market and the benefit is proportional, since in this initial action we will reach 150 participants. And finally we have the complete team that presents this proposal.